Wow, you're very amazing. Thank you. And can you make a Minecraft face like this? Okay, so this is the topic for today's video, how to type Minecraft-like text arts using colored square emojis. In order to make Minecraft-like text arts, first you need the colored square emojis. Google Keyboard or Gboard already has many of them. If you don't have the square emojis or some particular colors of square emojis, you can search it up on Google and then copy from there. I don't have the skin tone square emojis on my keyboard, so I'm gonna search it up and then I'll copy all of them from here. I'll also give you the link of this website that I'm currently using and some other websites like this in the video description, from which you can copy all the colored square emojis. After copying the colored square emojis, you can paste them anywhere you want. And if your keyboard has clipboard, then you can also pin it there to save it permanently. You can also save it in the personal dictionary from your keyboard settings. Paste the square emojis there and add a shortcut for it. Now every time you type the shortcut, the saved emojis will appear in your keyboard suggestions. Just tap on it to use it. Now that we have got the colored square emojis, it's time for making the Minecraft text arts. First, I'll make the emoji face exactly like this comment. Now I will make another one by myself. Lastly, I'll end this video with a heart made by colored square emojis. Make sure to try this out in the comments and create your own Minecraft-like text arts by using colored square emojis. You can also use Emoji app to get this type of text arts without making it by yourself. To watch more videos like this, click on the video on the screen, check out the playlist for more and subscribe for new videos.